kind of gloomy outside, so last minute decided to make a tomato pesto soup. Tomato pesto shrimp soup. Tomato pesto, onion, add garlic. This is vegan. It's supposed to be vegan. Green beans, carrots, pasta, peppers, celery, potatoes, and chop the peppers fine because Luki doesn't like peppers, and then I made the potatoes really small so they could cook fast. Almost forgot the green beans, carrots. What am I forgetting? Good idea, bad idea. The green beans with the pasta and half the green beans into the soup mix, and it's because Nicholas won't be having any and I still want him to get some vegetables. He'll eat green beans fine. Add the shrimp. I intended for this to be a soup, but then I don't know, I just felt like using the emulsifier. Partly because every kid has an issue. So one don't like celery, one don't like peppers, one doesn't like carrots. We all got an issue, and it is what it is. And the carrots are going to add sweetness to it. The green beans whole to add color. Added some starchy pasta water to thin it out just slightly. So it's not thin enough to be a soup. I don't have any cream to make it a chowder. I guess it's a stew, a bisque, a boo, a stisk. I don't know, but the kids have seconds, so that matters. That baby don't know how to be gentle.